There we go, folks. Day 2 running barefoot. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Feel so happy. This is my therapy. This makes me feel alive and blissful. That is two of my favourite things are barefoot Boulder rock skipping and just running, jogging barefoot now. I love them so much. I love doing both every day. I've done both yesterday, both today. There's the other view. So yeah, I went boulder skipping up there first, and then just today I went along, and yesterday I went a trail up there, over there, and then back again yesterday. But today I did up there, and then back down up onto the further beach, and then back along the beach through the little forest. Yeah, back along this the beach there, and this beach. And I just made the video then after I got back to the car. So yeah, I hope you do the same thing or something similar. It's so exhilarating, fun and enjoyable. I truly recommend it highly and deeply from my heart. The best thing ever. Woohoo! Lots of love.